Is Microsoft's Go2 Service giving you a headache with frustrating connectivity issues? Let's squash those bugs in the next 90 seconds. First things first, let's check if the Go2 Service is even running. Press the Windows key, type services, and hit enter. This will open the services window. Scroll down until you find the Go2 Service. Now, right-click on Go2 and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed start. If it's set to disabled, change it, click Apply, and then click Start. If it is already set to automatic, click Stop and then start to restart the service. Next up, let's make sure your network connection is playing nice. Right-click the network icon in your system tray and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network adapter, usually Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. In the Properties window, find Internet Protocol version for TCP, IPv4 and double-click on it. Ensure that Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. If not, select them. Click OK, and then close the other windows. Time to check your firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Start menu and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then, click on Change Settings and scroll through the list to see if Go2 is listed and checked under both private and public networks. If not, check the boxes and click OK. If Go2 is not in the list, click Allow another app. Browse to the Go2 program file and add it to the list. And that's it. By checking your service status, network configuration, and firewall settings, you should be back in action with seamless remote assistance and collaboration. Subscribe for more tech tips.